After 23 years of bringing people together, Skype is officially shutting down on May 5th, 2025. Microsoft, its parent company, is sunsetting the platform and urging users to transition to Microsoft Teams or another video calling service. Before May 5th, Skype users can sign into Teams for free using their Skype credentials. Once logged in, all their chats and contacts will automatically transfer to the app. Teams supports up to 10,000 participants, offers top-tier security, and integrates with tools like OneDrive, Office 365, and Trello and more. Teams is available on Android, iOS, Mac, PC, and the web. For users who aren't interested in making the transition to Microsoft Teams, we still recommend exporting account data. This ensures that valuable information, such as messages, files, and contact details, is backed up and can be accessed in the future. Open Skype and log in. Click on the 3 horizontal dots under the account name in the top left corner. Go to Settings, Account and Profile, Your Account. After being redirected to Skype's web portal, choose from either Export Contacts.csv, Export Caller ID Numbers.csv, or Export Files and Chat History. The Export Files and Chat History option lets users download conversations and files. Click Submit Request and continue. When the export process is complete, click Download. Here are the best Skype alternatives. Google Meet. Google Meet is a free video calling platform available with a Google account, making it easy for users to transition. It supports up to 100 participants with features like screen sharing, meeting recording, and chat. However, the free plan limits meetings to 60 minutes if more than 3 people join. For advanced features, businesses can subscribe to Google Workspace, starting at $7 per month, which includes co-hosting, breakout rooms, polls, Q&A, YouTube live streaming, and AI-powered tools via Gemini. Zoom. Zoom is a popular web conferencing tool with features like 100 participant meetings, private public chat, notes, a whiteboard, screen sharing, and meeting recordings with transcripts. However, free meetings are limited to 40 minutes. To extend meeting time, users must subscribe to a $13 to $18 per month plan, which includes AI-powered meeting summaries and transcription-based Q&A. Webex. Webex, Cisco's video conferencing tool, offers features like screen sharing, session recording, and a whiteboard. The free plan supports up to 100 attendees with a 40-minute limit, while paid plans, 12 per month and up, include an AI assistant, live polling, Q&A, and support for up to 1,000 participants. Discord. Discord, originally a chat platform for gamers, can be a Skype alternative for personal use in small teams. However, it's not ideal for large businesses due to its 25 participant call limit. On the plus side, it offers unlimited meeting lengths, screen sharing, recording, and breakout rooms. It has a free plan and 2 paid options at $5 a month and $10 a month, making it an affordable choice. Slack. Slack's huddle feature is great for spontaneous team calls, but isn't ideal for large scheduled meetings. The huddle feature in Slack enables users to easily transition from a chat thread to an informal audio or video call with colleagues. The free plan supports 2-person huddles, while paid plans, $7 a month or $12 a month, allow up to 50 participants. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.